Subscription is where you turn a free trial into a paying plan, switch tiers, and keep the dashboard from locking when the period rolls over. It is the only page in the app that handles money, so the rules around who can open it are strict. Click Subscription at the bottom of the sidebar to open the billing page. The status banner at the top shows your active plan, the trial countdown if you're still on trial, or the next renewal date once you've subscribed. Watch this card for plan name, status badge, and billing mode. The plan comparison grid lays out Starter, Business, and Pro with prices, store and device caps, and the features each tier unlocks. Toggle between monthly and yearly to see the 2 months free yearly discount. The monthly and yearly toggle next to the grid header recomputes every card. Yearly billing pays for 10 months and gives you 12, a roughly 17% discount. Tapping Subscribe opens PayMongo hosted checkout, where you can pay with Gcash, Maya, a credit or debit card, or a bank QRPH app. Cards and e-wallets confirm instantly. Bank QRPH clears the next banking day if you pay after hours. Billing history at the bottom of the page logs every invoice with the amount, status, payment method, and a resume payment button for any invoice still pending. PayMongo holds the official receipts. This table is your LaundryVerse side audit trail. Heads up, subscription is owner only. Invited team members, admin, manager, cashier, or any custom role are blocked at the URL level and redirected back to the dashboard, regardless of which permissions their role holds. Billing cannot be delegated to an employee account.